Hello again. Today I look like shit. I just came home from my work. I'm hot and I still need to shower. But I just want to show you this. Something came and I didn't expect it already. It's the storage box. I don't know which one it is because I ordered two different ones. I ordered the one with the small cabins and the one with the round storage boxes inside. And the description says plastic slots, nail art, tools, jewelry storage. It's 0.13 kilo and the US failure is 37 cents. They say 37 cents. Actually, when I order something from China, it always says $1, $1.50, 50 cents, 37 cents like this one. And actually I paid more, but it's okay. Like this, custom don't open it and they don't give a shit. There is a sticker on the other side that says where it's going to from France. The sticker is put here by La Poste, and this is the one from China. Okay, let us open this. Let me see how they put it and if it is something worth it. Okay, there are two, so it's the small boxes, because I ordered two of the small ones and one of the round ones. The round ones is also not big, but they shipped it just in an envelope. That's okay. And then they put the storage boxes separate envelopes. Let me open this. So the shipping looks good. The bag is not broken like the diamond painting was. Okay, this bag is broken. That works. I think it's a good thing. It's not that big. Let me see the other one. Open this. The other one was already open. So yeah, they are nice. They are not that big. I wonder how long it will leave. It will stay the end of the boxes, how long it will be before it breaks. But actually it looks well made, and yeah, they are not that big, so I cannot put all my diamonds in it, but that's okay. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 4, so 28 slots. So I can put 28 colors. Here I have 28 more. So for the moment I can put all my diamonds somewhere without having all the bags and all the everything lying somewhere. So this is nice. If you wonder why I bought, where I bought them, I can leave you a link in the description box below. So I did not order this at the shop where they sell diamond paintings. Actually, I found this on one of the diamond painting stores, but they asked 6 or 7 euro, so I think between $8 and $10, maybe between $8 and $10, I don't know. So I was thinking that's expensive, so I looked for similar products and I found this in some nail studio shop, and they sold it for I think $2.50. So yeah, it's okay. And again, it's just to put the diamonds in and to store it. I don't know if it has a long life with the plastic cups that are open like this. The bottom part feels very solid. The lid's a little bit less, but we can try it. It's better than the little bags where it comes in. I only have to go to a store to buy some stickers to put the number of the color on it, and it has to be small stickers. But yeah, 2 times 28, so I have enough for, I think, all my paintings, because actually paintings comes in 30-35 colors, 40 colors maximum, I don't know. My Donald Duck painting was 35, I think. I don't remember anymore. So yeah, 2 boxes. I will wait till I start a new painting, and then I will put my colors in it, and we shall see if it's better than when I use the little bags. I think it goes faster. So yeah, this was the little unboxing from the storage boxes. So just rest me to say thank you for watching. If you like my video, just put your thumbs up. Follow me if you want to know more about diamond painting, if you want to know more about me. And yeah, I see you in the next video. I think the next video will be Cinderella. I don't know, it depends of what you will vote. I think I will wait 1 more week for starting my new painting. Tomorrow I will go to IKEA to look for some frames for my diamond paintings. But yeah, I think when you see this video, it's already been tomorrow, so I need to stop to say what I'm going to do, because actually when you watch it, it's already done. Yeah, see you real soon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.